Menteri Rangba Gejala Meghalaya Conrad Kongkal Sangma ne ka khandai trik gejliau ulalu me gejingelang bat kinong elam niam boper jong gejala bat kene gejingelang kala shimikarai bahkan empat sya ban pli gijaka mane blai kibadan ha gejala. Habai keren bikinong pathai kubor hadin belawai gejingelang usembut Menteri Rangba Gejala ba prestun tun song ulong bah katayo ko balalet ke sorkar jela kala penbena bahkan sya ban pleno ya gijaka mane blai nado ka khat sau trik menta ubnai. Henry hadin belayatai bat kinong elam niam kilapan kelano ekarai kabakila dap ban penbena. Uba pres tun song ulong baga jingelang da kesur kelasya ekarai bari ban khang shwai gijaka mane blai tat hadu ban da penbena da kumwai pat.
Ta da kawe gijimut hadin bang lai shong lai sani baha lai perkat baha. Nakaliang jong ka government rengkat da bat ka jing ajimut lang jong kineki nong yalam niam baper ka sorkar kalarai menta ka sengi ba ya katu ke jingple ya ki mane ki jaka mane blai ka bangilabu aka khat sautrik jong uni ubenai la postpone no batru kane kan continue hadu ba ngin da pentip da kumwei pat wat la shisha nakaliang jong ka sorkar India kalasya ya ki worshipping places ban sedang ban play na dukane ka pratrik ten rei hakawidei bat ka sorkar jela megala rengkat bat kin nong yalam niam borok ke baper ngilai simlang ya karai menta kasngi ba ngin nempat play ya ki jaka mane play jongi borok tat hadu ba ensa pentip da kumwei pat.
Katba nakaliang usinia Administrative Secretary ka Khasi Jantia Presbyterian Assembly u Reverend P Nyota ulpen pawe ke jingbom senguhun ya karai ka belashim da kesorkar kamtam haba ka balang Presbyterian ka badan palat kendai lakngut kirunget hakaleng gejela keladak ban penkrea bat penbiang iki jingdan kam namar kitrang ban yo pen longno iki jingeseng
nakaliang jungi kum ka balang hibar ka wei ka long bang ada pen pau chief minister ko ong ba mentangir apoi Tuesday tekan diga Sunday kalau along very near. Teban inform kat igi balang hari kasih berjantia baru kamdei ke basu. Mentap pilasi mega decision ban pelong jeseng. Bat kesan tang na kabanta bapi asngau ke jing khot na jikran na chen bestai khot biang yengi ban kelai ka takarai. Takasong ke government menta ne nagaleng ning ke balang te ya kene ke sondi testam te ban ong to sange namal kam nege usuk ke balang kondong kila kre badang ning i ba kanton ke jing e ka bakrao yo aga jing long jong ki balang jing somur sim ki balang ni ki ong ngin pelong be ki jesen ke sitam ba do kata ba ki jing le jong ka government ba sikata ki long commendable but nakaliang chief minister deputy chief minister ki ong barbar not to fear. Tenanga narung alapan pang banga kum pastor ngajukra ni kata subjek bumde ben septing te bumde ben septing ndai ban yada galong ban kam tendai hinde ka pau kum ta kan haga conclusion jonga ka pau kum tai ba kaktin bat ka jingle ber kami hak.
Today we had a meeting with different leaders from different religious organizations. This is the second meeting that we're having with everyone. And the objective really is to consult and discuss on the way forward regarding places of worship. After discussing with everybody and getting everybody's comments and suggestions, majority of the church leaders, the temples, and the mosques and other religious organizations, most of them felt that we should postpone or revisit this decision of opening their places of worship on the 14th. Also keeping in mind that the state has always maintained that health will be a priority, and keeping in mind that we are still having a number of people who are stranded outside the state who are coming back. Keeping all these factors in mind, we felt that at this point in time, we need to revisit the decision. And accordingly, based on the majority view, we have decided that we will not be opening up places of worship till the end of this month. And towards the end of the month, we will once again consult everybody and then decide the way forward.